The next presentation is by Dr. Titik Satyaningsi from the Brawijaya University, Indonesia. The title
Yes.
of the presentation is
Yes, thank you very
Influence.
much. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
The stage is all yours,
Yes.
Doctor.
Okay, mulai ya. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening. Good evening, everybody, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to the Muslim. I will present my research. It is connected to my published paper in Chem Engineering 2021, and it is related to my research Hibah Doktor 2020 in collaboration with my college, Mr. Danar Purwanugroho and Mr. Junior Ponco Prananto from Department of Chemistry, Brawijaya University. And this is a title for my presentation. It is about influence of pyrolysis parameters using microwave toward structural properties of zinc oxide CNS intermediate and application of zinc chromate CNS final product for degradation of pesticide in wet body soil. This is a background for my research. It is about the brown grasshopper. It is a main pest of paddy plants, and this animal can create the dry plants like this, and also looking such as a burn plant. However, this problem can be overcome by various ways, by physically, biologically, mechanically, and chemically by pesticide. Pesticides are a region for protecting crops against harmful pests. Pesticides can create the problems for environment and also for the human, such as it can create the death of animal, for example, for the fishes, and also create the resistance of pests, and also it can create the accumulation in various agriculture product, including it is about the paddy, and it also can create the various disease such as cancer, brain damage, disability at birth, and disturbance of immune system. One of a solution for pesticides problem, we can use the carbon. Carbon is a porous material, and it can be used as the absorbent. Because it can be used as absorbent, it can be used for biodegradation, for absorbent of pesticide and microbe, so it can be lasted the biodegradation in the nature. And also it can be applied for the adsorbent for pesticide, and oxidator and catalyst for abiotic degradation. To make this carbon more optimal, it should be is conditioned as the dispersion system, it to make easier farmer to spray in the paddy field like this. And there are three kind of dispersion system, including the molecular dispersion of solution, colloidal salt, and suspension or coarse dispersion. And based on this classification, so we can use dispersion system as one of the characterization method for the product of CNS. There are some pyrolysis method for production of CNS, including wet method and dry method. and I'm interested in the dry method by using the microwave because it need the shorter time for pyrolysis than conventional method and hydrothermal method. I choose the catalyst of zinc chromate for my research because it has the benefit. This substance contains chromium 3 plus, and this it is not carcinogenic or mutagenic properties, and also the accumulation of chromium 3 plus in plant such as paddy, it's tend to be in the road, so it is safe for paddy fields. And also, if chromium 3 plus in the soil and oxidized to the chromium 6 plus, but it can be reduced again rapidly by organic matter or microorganism in the soil. So it is good the choice for a zinc chromate. uh, Chromium 3 plus is also the essential element. It is has the role for maintain and the normal carbohydrate, lipid and protein, and also for decreasing cholesterol and to reduce the body fat. And also it contain uh, as the component in food and drink, including egg in the green bean, in Chinese cabbage, in the carrot, in the uh, cheese, butter, in the bread, various fruits, and multivitamin. And so it is not problem to use the zinc chromate. And also, once again, I get information more about zinc chromate. It has the KSP similar, almost similar with PB sulfate. So it is difficult to soluble in the water. So it is safe environment. Zinc chromate is the potential catalyst based on the comparison. It is my research HPU 2019. It is better than some other spinel, and also it is supported by other uh, reference. It also it better than uh, other spinel for degradation of organic substances. This is purpose of my research to study influence of microwave parameter toward properties of zinc oxide CNS. To study influence of microwave parameter toward performance of zinc chromate in the degradation of pesticide. This is method of research. I conducted research about Hiba Doctor 2020 in my home because of a pandemic problem in my country. Uh, this is my front yard. This is my backyard. This is my kitchen, and this is in my living room. This is the picture of biomass and activator of zinc chloride. It is and then it pyrolyzed by microwave, and then it dispersed in water, and then evaporated, and then drying by oven, and then I get the zinc oxide CNS, and then in this uh, mixed by calcium hydroxide, uh, salt chloride, and chromium chloride 6 hydrate, and then it calcium, and then I get the final product as zinc chromate CNS. And this is a test of pesticide degradation. This is I mix the dry soil, to make to deactive the microbe in the soil, so it will not disturb for biodegradation. So it's only by uh, ab- apa tadi itu the other degradation, not biodegradation. And this is a dry soil is mixed with a solution of pesticide, and then and uh, acid peroxide and composite, and then kept for 5 days, and then filtered, and then filtered was measured by the oximeter. For comparison, I mix same procedure but without composite and hydrogen peroxide. This is a result of the research. It is a result of analysis, chemical analysis. It is not by myself, but by public analysis laboratory in Department of Chemistry, Brawijaya University. I get that this biomass contain the different hemicellulose, lignin, and cellulose. And so I hope this will make the influence to the characteristic of the product. This is products of pyrolysis and calcination. Starts from here, biomass become the activated carbon, and then it is colloid, and then it is the zinc oxide, CNS and CNS, and this is zinc chromate, CNS. This is predicted pyrolysis reactions and calcination reaction. Based on this predicted pyrolysis reaction, I guess that the product, intermediate product, contain zinc oxide and carbon. And based on predicted calcination reaction, and the product contain zinc chromate, carbon, and calcium chloride, and zinc oxide. This is FDIR spectra of CNS and zinc oxide CNS. And code Z, it is about a zinc chloride activator. And without a Z, no, without activator. And based on this pyrolysis, I get that using zinc chloride, it's better than without zinc chloride. It approved by the patent of FTIR spectra, which show almost no peaks or bands based on without zinc chloride. So it is good if using zinc chloride. Crystal structure of biomass CNS and composite zinc oxide CNS. Now it is about pattern of X-ray diffractogram of biomass. I get this conclusion that both contain and the crystal cellulose, and after calculation I get the similar crystalline index of cellulose. And based on the pattern of X-ray diffractogram of CNS and zinc oxide CNS, I get that usage of rice husk give the better stability of carbon. It's proved by more higher the such as mountain of white peak for the carbon. This is morphology of the composite zinc oxide CNS. I get like this, and the pattern, the morphology, it is, I think it is not regular. This is test of colloid stability. I think stability is important here to give the time duration for the farmer for spraying process and the fertilizer which contain the composite on paddy field. I guess like that. This is without zinc chloride for pyrolysis and with zinc chloride. And I get that without zinc chloride, it is more stable, and then with zinc chloride, I think like that. And this is I'm sorry, this is with rice husk with code G, and this is with sawdust with code SG. This is the similar apa itu the tendency, and it is with zinc chloride. It is lower stability than without zinc chloride. And this is a chemical component of composite of zinc chromate CNS from rice husk by SEM-ADX. Based on this analysis, I get that this composite contain carbon and chromium and zinc, and it is some Na and C silica. I think it is based on the content in the biomass. And this is a crystal structure of zinc chromate CNS from rice husk based on characterization by HRD. Like this, and the pattern. I think it is more tendency for calcium chloride, and also the zinc chromate, but with the shift to the larger spacing and the smaller to theta angle. Because why like that? Because calcium plus can substitute the chromium 3 plus, and it make the spacing the larger, and so it and the shift to the lower to theta angle. I think like that. The prediction for presence of zinc chromate, it is based on the shift like that. So I need the more research, I think, for this to get the more valid conclusion by variation of the ini apa content of chromium, I think like that. So I can get a more valid conclusion, because it is still on the prediction. If why I don't make the prediction about the chromium oxide, because it is too far from this peak for calcium chloride. I think it is more it is better if I guess zinc chromate, because no peak chromium chromate, but there is a peak for calcium chloride, and that it such as there is overlapping. I see such as there is overlapping of peak for this two the highest peak. And why CalCl is dominant? Because in the mixture for calcination, I give much calcium chloride, but it is not problem because CalCl is the fertilizer for the paddy field. I think like that. And this is a result for test of degradation based on the different uh, energy of a power of a microwave 400 and 800. I get that using sawdust and for 400 watt, it gives the highest uh, degradation of a pesticide. And this is a reaction, it is the chromium 3 plus become chromium 4 plus. I refer to other journal, and chromium 4 plus, it is easier to become the chromium 6 plus, and chromium 6 plus can come back to chromium 3 plus rapidly by the organic substance or by hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is familiar as the additive of the liquid fertilizer. And this reaction can be happen in the acid condition, and I get information that pH of paddy soil in the ring of acid pH. So I think it is match. It is not problem. This is the conclusion. Parameter of microwave affect properties of zinc oxide CNS, including activator of zinc chloride produce a more completed carbonization. The carbon in zinc oxide CNS from rice husk was more stable thermally than that from sawdust. The colloid of zinc oxide CNS from rice husk tend to be more stable than from the sawdust. Parameter of microwave pyrolysis affect degradation of pesticide using catalyst of zinc chromate CNS. CRD and ADX characterization indicated the existence zinc chromate CNS for final composite with KCl impurities. Zinc chromate CNS from sawdust give catalytic performance better than from rice husk, including 2.5 times larger related to pyrolysis at 400 watt and 1.6 times larger related to pyrolysis at 800 watt. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Dr. Titik.
Yes.
The stage is now open for questions. Would anyone like to ask Dr. Titik any questions? So I assume there are no questions.
No questions.
Thank you, Dr. Titik.
Okay. Thank you very much.